Synthesis. What is photo? On this one. Photo means what? Yes, photo means light. Synthesis means what? Synthesis means preparation. Synthesis means what? Preparation. Anything we are going to prepare it, so we call it as synthesizing, means creating a model. Synthesizing is nothing but preparing. Preparing. What is it called? Preparing. So synthesis, photosynthesis, light preparation. What is actually happening in this photosynthesis? Do you know? What is the main process? Here, what is prepared? Food is prepared. What is prepared, beta? Food is prepared. What is prepared here? Food is prepared. We are eating food, right? But from where we are getting the food? Plants. So, but how the plants are preparing the food? So, they are creating, and they are called as a food factory. What is it called? Food factory. So, they are the most powerful material elements, and they are the powerful things which are preparing food for the whole life. Without, if they are not preparing the food, then can we get the food? So we will eat animals. Then animals, what they will eat? They will eat again plants, right? Directly or indirectly, we are depending upon the plants. Yes or no? Yes. We are depending upon what? Plants. On plants. Now here, how this process of photosynthesis? Means what is prepared here, beta? Food is prepared. Food is prepared. And what are the materials required for this photosynthesis process? In general, it's a name itself says that what is required? Light. So, what do you do in your plants? What do you do when they are very small or normal plants? What do you do generally?
Water.
You have to pour water. Any food you will give? No. What you will do? Water we will give. That is the only thing. If we are not giving to the, if at all we are going to the forest, who is giving water? Rain or the groundwater. Okay, the roots which are getting the water from the ground. So there is nobody is going and pouring the water, right? It is there happening only. Correct? So these plants are preparing the food with the help of light. One is light. The other one is water, and the most third important thing, what is that, you know? Carbon dioxide. What do you inhale?
Oxygen.
What do you exhale?
Carbon dioxide.
We get food from plants. What the plants inhale? Carbon dioxide. During respiration, they will inhale oxygen. During respiration, they will inhale oxygen, release carbon dioxide. But during photosynthesis, during what process? Photosynthesis process, they will inhale carbon dioxide. They will take carbon dioxide and release what? Oxygen. So we are getting oxygen from the plants again. We are getting food from the plants. We are getting oxygen from the plants. So the plants are important or not? So that's why this is a very, very important. You all should do at least on your birthday, at least keep 10 plants. ఎక్కడైనా అడవిలో వెళ్ళి సీడ్స్ వేసేసి వాటి కొద్ది రోజు చూడండి. ఎనీ ప్లేస్ వేర్ ఎవర్, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ప్లేస్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. సో ప్లాంటింగ్ అనేది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నమాట. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిటా? బికాస్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ వాట్? Oxygen. Can we live without oxygen?
No.
Can we live without food?
No, sir.
It's very important, right? So that much important plant, how it is producing, how it is preparing the food, and how it is preparing the oxygen. That we will learn it now, right? Now let us see how the photosynthesis is going to work. Start. Now let us see how the photosynthesis is going to really work. Now how this photosynthesis is really going to work, that we will observe. Now what is it?
Plant.
The plant contains what? It contains roots,
Branch.
Is it there? Root is there. Where it is? In the ground, right? Where it is? Ground. The ground. This is the roots, right? What they are all?
Roots.
This is the ground. And inside the ground, how the roots are there? See? They are going to get what?
Water.
They are going to get water. So water. Right. Come on. Next word is coming up. It says stem. This is the
Stem.
This is the root. See, these are the roots. What is this, beta?
Roots.
So from the roots, the water particles which are there in the ground will be absorbed. Okay. So the roots are always the water absorbing through very important particles called as xylem. What is that, beta?
Xylem.
Now coming to the stem. Now this is the stem. See, every plant will have a strong structure, right? With that structure only the plant will be standing, right? So that standing part which is called as a stem. Anybody in doubts you have? In this, any doubts? What is stem, beta? The standing part of the main structure, right? This is the stem. Next, what is the next one?
Branch.
The stand. Always stem will be there, and stem with the stem, what it comes? Branches will grow. Do you know this? Branches will grow, right? Next, what will be there in the branches, beta?
Leaves.
Yes, the most important is leaves. These are the important particles, or we can say it as a food factory is there in the leaf. Most important. Leaves are endukunte green color lo telusa? There is a pigment called as chlorophyll. Anyhow, this is a leaf, right? Do you know leaves? Everybody knows?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody knows. Next and ఇక్కడ in the leaf ని మనం ఒకసారి deep గా ఒకసారి cross section if you do it and if you observe how it will be like this. This is the cross section of a leaf. In this what will be there? Xylem. See, I said just now. Water from the roots is coming through this xylem. अब ఎలా ఉన్నాయి చూడు pipelines రాలే? How they are? Like pipeline. This is a xylem. Then ఇప్పుడు ప్లాంట్ ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశాక మళ్ళీ లీఫ్ లో ఎక్కడ తగ్గుతుంది ఫుడ్ అని చెప్పాను? Food is prepared in the leaves. Now food is prepared, but it has to send it to all the body parts, right? Food అన్ని body part దానికి కూడా ఎనర్జీ కావాలి కదా. So it sends through phloem. See, this is the phloem cells. Are you able to see it? Right? This is the phloem cell, and this is the xylem cell. And this is the leaf. Leaf ని ఇలా పెట్టి కట్ చేసి చూస్తున్నాం మనం. ఇట్లా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇట్లా హాఫ్ సెక్షన్ చేసి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ సెక్షన్ చేసి ఇట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది. పైన ఒక లేయర్ ఉంటది, కింద ఒక లేయర్ ఉంటుంది. చూడండి, ఉందా? పైన లీఫ్ పైన, లీఫ్ కింద. యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ?
Yes, sir.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద బాటమ్. లీఫ్ అందరికి తెలుసు కదా, పైన కింద, రైట్? సో అప్పర్ పార్ట్ అండ్ లోవర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ లీఫ్. అప్పర్ పార్ట్ లోవర్ పార్ట్ లో ఏది డార్క్ గ్రీన్ ఉంటుంది బేటా? అప్పర్ పార్ట్ విల్ బి డార్క్ గ్రీన్, లోవర్ పార్ట్ విల్ బి లైట్ గ్రీన్. ఎందుకంటే మోర్ క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద అప్పర్ పార్ట్, రైట్? నౌ సీ xylem. ఇప్పుడు పైన ఈ అప్పర్ పార్ట్ పైన లీఫ్ పైన ఒక లేయర్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ లేయర్. ఏం లేయర్ అంటారు దాన్ని తెలుసా? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాస్ క్యూటికల్. See, this is a layer which is protecting the leaf. Who is protecting our body? Skin. So it also has a skin, right? And who is it? Cuticle. It is there to upper cuticle. Lower side it is there, lower cuticle. Lower side, upper side. It's called as epi. Epi means outside. So epidermis అంటారు దాన్ని. డర్మిస్ అంటే డర్మ్ అంటే స్కిన్. ఎపిడర్మిస్ దాని పైన ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ లేయర్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ లేయర్. దట్ ఈస్ అ క్యూటికల్. క్యూటికల్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ స్కిన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ లేయర్, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు ఇంకేముంది ఇక్కడ? See, these are the openings. ఆక్సిజన్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలి, కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ బయటకు రావాలి. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలి, ఆక్సిజన్ బయటకు రావాలి. ప్లాంట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఎప్పుడు కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ తీసుకొని వాట్ ఇట్ విల్ రిలీజ్? ఆక్సిజన్. రిలీజ్ ఆక్సిజన్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as stomata. What they are called?
Stomata.
అందరికి స్ట్రక్చర్ అర్థమైనట్టేనా?
Yes, sir.
మరొకసారి పార్ట్స్ చూడండి. రూట్స్, స్టెమ్, బ్రాంచ్, లీఫ్. Inside the leaf, outer part is outer layer is called cuticle, and it has xylem, phloem. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి రెండు పార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఒక లేయర్ లాగా ఉంది కదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ కింద కూడా ఒక లేయర్ లాగా ఉంది కదా. ఈ అప్పర్ లేయర్ అన్నమాట, అప్పర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్. వాట్ ఇస్ ఇట్ కాల్డ్? అండ్ లోవర్ వన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ లోయర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్. అప్పర్ ఎపిడర్మిస్, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the structure of a leaf, right? Leaf structure and total parts of a photosynthesis happening plant.